Hello student, hello friends. Today I have started a new video lecture on the ICSE board class 10th geography. The topic is topo sheet. Topo sheet where we will study the topography. Topography is two types. One is the physical and second is the cultural. In the physical and the cultural we will study the natural and the man-made. Physical means natural, and cultural means man-made. So we have the four content in the topo sheet. One is grid reference, second is contour line, third is drainage pattern, and fourth is settlement. Grid reference especially is a study in the topo sheet for the location of the place where we will use the two type of the content. One is 4 grid reference and second is 6 grid reference. These reference are measured from the lines which are running from west to east. These lines are known as easting. The lines which are running from south to north, these lines are known as the northings. The degrees are written there in the lines, and these degrees, suppose we find this place, this is the Bhavara. Okay, na? This is the Bhavara, this is a small village. So how do we measure it in the 4 grid reference? So in the first we will see the numbers are written there. In the first we will take out the grid reference of the eastings. Easting means from the line which are vertical running. These lines 22 degree. So we will take the least line or the last line. So it is the least line is 22. So easting is 22. Now we will take out the northing. Northing is 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. 22 is the easting and northing is 0, 3. The 4 grid reference 22, 0, 3. Now the 6 grid reference. 6 grid reference is only used when we have to take out the exact location of any place. Suppose this is a location of Bhavara. So we will use the scale. Scale there are 20 mm. 20 mm means 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter. Suppose this place comes in this area. And it is the 10. 10 will be divided by the 2. It is 5. Okay, na? So this is the easting. This the first we will write there 22 and easting is 5. Now the northing. So we will write there again 0, 3 and once again we will start to count the millimeter from south to north. So once again it is 8. It means 2. It is 4. So we have the 6 grid reference 2, 2, 5, 0, 3, 4. This is the 4 grid reference, this is the 6 grid reference. Now second is contour line. Contour line show the actual height of the mountain in a paper. So you are watching here the contour line. Contour line, you can see the top which is very highest and the edge which is very lower. So as I have seen, these are the contour interval. Contour interval where you will see the two type of the slope. It is a steep slope, it is a gentle slope. Gentle slope means a wide slope. Steep slope means a very frequent slope, right? And next is the drainage pattern. Drainage pattern are four types. Dendritic pattern. Dendritic pattern is just like the tree. Rectangular, it is a trendalized. Radial, it is like a starfish. Disappearing, it is a dry river. Mostly you will see this dry river in the area where the desert is there or the land is very fertile and not very fertile. It is unfertile land. Or the next is the settlement. There are the four type of the settlement. One is the linear, dispersed, radial, neglected. Lineal, it is just like a pathway or the cartway where along the cartways there are the houses which are along the cartway. It is called a linear settlement. Dispersed settlement, this settlement is very, you will say, dispersed settlement. Dispersed settlement means the area in this place where the houses are very far away from each other. Radial settlement, just like a starfish, you will see there. That's like you will see the radial settlement in the radial pattern in the drainage. So just like the drainage. Neglected settlement, it is the houses are very close to each other. Means the very houses which are built here, these houses which are built very closely to each other. So it is a neglected settlement. Means the houses, you can say the clustered settlement. You will see there the clustered settlement. Mostly you will see in the villages areas or the areas where the high population is there and the houses are very closely to built there. Okay, students. So in the next video lecture, I will tell you about these topics in a very broadly. You will see topics, and I will convey you all the doubts in the upcoming videos. Thank you, student, to listening.